3 time, 6 time, 9 time, 10 time. Map it. Okay, like this you have to map. So all the GL mapped. No doubt, right? Up to here, guys. Naga,
No,
do you have any doubt?
no, I don't.
Okay. Nitesh, do you have anything to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, some important point you have to know here. Now come to here. Let's say, how do you identify there are so many GLs you have? Then how do you identify which GL is missing, not mapped in the financial statement version? See here I'm telling you very simple logic I'm telling, but in the business time sometimes they will not follow this kind of simple logic. They will do completely zigzag. So in that time, knowing that either all the GLs are mapped or not in the financial statement version. One is obviously if your balance, once you run the financial statement, if it is not coming correct figure, correct value, if it is not coming, you'll get to know. But before that only, if you want to know either all your GLs mapped, not mapped, then how can you identify? So here you have option, and sometime in interview also they're asking, okay. So you are going now in OB52, OB58. Let me come out of this. Let me go to here. I'm going to change display mode. So I'm in display mode. I'll go to OB58 from here. Go to your finance system version. Go to here. So here you have button, okay. Configure check. So you click your cursor at the top level, then go to here. So here you have three options. One, it will help you to identify which are the GL you have mapped only in the debit side or only credit side. Only debit or only credit. If you have any GL, then you can check from this one. Let's say here, some GL you mapped only debit or credit here. Let's say I have mapped here one GL, cash and bank GL. See here, this is what I have mapped. Only, where it is? Sorry, bank GL. I have mapped only debit. One debit, only on credit. See, only debit I have ticked. Only debit I have ticked. So like this, if you have many such GL, you want to identify which are the GL you have mapped only in the debit side, then you can check from this. So one by one I'm going to show you. So click this one and run it. Okay, so this one you leave it as of now. It is talking about this node. See this one. It will tell account allocated either debit or credit side. There is only one GL. So double click on this one, then below GL will appear. Which GL? See, this is what cash and bank range. Okay, it is giving under which node you have mapped also. So it will show like this. Okay, na? Hello. Okay, na?
Yeah,
Right?
got it.
Yeah.
So this is done. Now similarly, go to next one again here. So here it will say how many GL are not assigned, if any missing GL. But how it will check? Prior to that, make sure that GL creation is happen, okay, in the system. I have not created any GL, so SAP will not be able to identify which are the GL not mapped, okay. Otherwise it will check. So now non-assigned GL, either you want to check at the chart of account level. Chart of account level means if any GL, so while creating the GL there are two ways. One is known as creating at the chart of account level. One is there are two segmented there, chart of account and company code segment, okay. So if you don't give company code, then it will check whatever GL are created at the chart of account level are mapped here or not, okay. If you give company code, then it will check whether for my company code whatever GL I'm using are mapped or not. So there are two ways you can check, either at the chart of account level or at the company code level. Is it clear? First of all, this feature. Hello.
Yeah.
Let's say a chart of account level, I have 1000 GL, but for my company code, I may be using only 100 GL. So if you check here, only if you don't give company code, then it will check all those 1000 GLs are mapped here or not. If you give company code here, then it will check age many age your company is having that GL. Those GLs are mapped are here or not. Is it clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
run it here. Okay. Age of now will not find because see account missing because we have not created any GL. So that's the reason it is not showing. Other it will show. So let me see if somebody is already anyone has the financial system person. Someone's I don't know. Let me see. Anyway, otherwise we anyway will be running for our tick here. Run it. See. Almost 37 GLs are not mapped. Okay. So like this it will appear which are GL not mapped. Okay, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So sometime in interview they'll asking as well as you should also know as a consultant. You can tell to the business, boss, these are the GL you have not provided under any node. Why? So then they'll get to know, okay, because while designing this financial statement version under which node, which GLs, there will be so many confusion. I'm telling you, until you go live, there will be correction, correction, correction. Once you go live, then only business will be okay. Anyway, we are live. But until they are not live, they'll always feel something need to be changed. Something need to be changed. Personally, I have seen, and this will be so complicated, they will not follow any proper range. Okay, because they know this. See, bank GL you are giving 1000 GL from 7001 to 8000 you are giving. You will never have 1000 GL for the bank GL. 1000 GL only for bank you are not going to create. So there will be very small range will be there. So business will get confused. Okay, while changing here and there. So while mapping also there will be so confusion. So but this is the good way you can check which GL are missing from the financial statement version. Okay, so this is the one. Another one is uh, wrong GL. Balance sheet GL is mapped under profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement GL is mapped under balance sheet. So that also you can check from this one. Incorrect account assignment. Okay, here incorrect assignment, account assignment. Okay, so right now there is no GL mapped. Okay, otherwise it will come like this, incorrectly mapped. So that is the, so this three thing you can check. Okay, and it is very helpful. Now is it clear, right, the checking part? In interview they are asking and you should also know. Okay, right,
Yes, sir.
Ishan? Okay, now let us design the P&L statement. How you want to see the uh, your profit and loss statement.